All right, good morning. This is Wake Chicago. It's about 9 a.m. on April 28th of 21. I'm going to split screen it here. We're looking over Texas, and you're seeing fighter jets all over the place. I can't believe what I'm seeing here. Look at this. Almost the entire bottom half of Texas is covered in fighter jets. And they got some really cool names. Strike 62. ARC 001. I don't know what that means. ARC 001. U.S. Air Force, just so you see here. And look at he's running in circles. I like this one. This is my favorite one so far. Napalm. Napalm 1 and Napalm 2. Do you guys get to name your own planes? I wondered. I don't know. Oh, my. Strike 62. These are they says anyways, T-38C Falcons. U.S. Air Force, U.S. Air Force. Here's Strike 62. Here's Napalm 2, no registration, of course. I dig the radio names, though. You know what I mean? Napalm 2. That's badass. Jump 81. I wonder what kind of plane that is. It's 7,000 feet. Yeah, they're jumping out of plane. Is that what that means? Oh, my. And then here I'll have a wider view. Let's get a little closer. Oh, my. And I'll show you in a minute. I saw this pop up. There's Glock. Glock 1. Yeah. U.S. Air Force, of course. What other names? I like these names. Ski. What's that mean? Ski. That must be an insider joke. Ski. Or that's the guy's name, maybe? I don't know. And Southwest Airlines is in the mix. Oops. It says it is anyways, but he's flying with this, so maybe not. You see that? Because this is a flight restricted zone. Or not. But I'll show you it is. In a minute. Are they at the same height? Let's see. No. So that might be Southwest. That might be real. He's up a lot higher. So maybe he's way above him. Oh, he is, obviously. But here, Boxer 56. That's a cool name. Let's turn him up there. I just think this is so cool. The names, they go Cajun 1, Cajun 2. A lot of T-38 or Talons, whatever these are called. And what else we got? We got to get these names. These are cool names. Tex-Mex. Oh, yeah. U.S. Air Force, Tex-Mex hauling ass. He just took off. They're on the runway down here. Tex-Mex 2 taking off. Woo, woo. That's the runway down there. Who else is down there? Quattro 2, Mick. I love your guys' names. Mick 2, Quattro 3. Wow. Yeah, this ain't nothing to see, man. This is just, I just hope this isn't for us. Oh, my. Oh, yeah. Especially when you see that they were going to use California's guard. Was going to low fly the crowd last summer. Who called for that? Look that up. Google that. I dare you. The National Guard of California had a fighter jets on standby to buzz the crowds, the peaceful protesters. Yeah. So don't think, well, I'm kidding, but I hope this ain't for us. Miller 1. Yeah. Wonder if he likes to drink. Or she, Fangs 6. Goat 41, the goat. Good old Satan. Oh yeah, you guys in your dark arts. Fang 24, Billy 40. He just named after his kid or something. Uh, you guys have to be naming your own planes. This is too creepy. What are you on? Percocets there? Perk 1, Perk 12. Look at his code number 668399 all the way across. You guys are good. Percolate, man, they look like they're hauling ass. Hang on. Yeah, I don't have that screen on. 10,000 feet. Yeah. Tonga 61. Billy. Oh, we saw Billy already. Hang on. Yeah, they're not boxers. Boxers, ski. We saw that Southwest got mixed in. What do we got over here? Glock 1, Goat 42. Yeah, my seeing patterns is really creepy because this all started Saturday, by the way. You guys been following. Here's Napalm over here. The Tiger 52. Yeah, I just smell something's weird. You know what I mean? Oh, and let me show you a document that'll tell you that too. Hang on. Where is it? Where are you? Here we go. So if you look at the flight restrictions, Georgia's got a couple. Brownsville, Texas, space operator. Oh, that's cool. Then there's some hazards. You know, that's why they block the airspace. What's this say? Security. Texas. April 23rd. Huh. Air show coming up May 1st. Is that for an air show? Maybe all this? Maybe. But it's all over the country too. These other weird unmarked block planes. But whatever. But I pulled one up here for Texas. This is over Fort Worth. They issued on April 22nd that you're not allowed to fly from April 22nd through May 22nd or 1st or 22nd. So for special security reasons, you know. So this is going to go out for a month, right? It tells you the location. If you want to just pause this, I don't know anything about radio air flying. I just see patterns, and when you start seeing this, because I watch these charts every day, like just to see what's weird or whatever. And this is weird. Let's call it that. I mean, nothing to see, right? Look at all these goats, fang, these little planes. See, when I keep telling you these are up in the air, they are, and they own them. These are all dark arts. They're all private companies. Right. Look at that little baby one. Yeah, he's not doing nothing. He's just in flight school, probably, right? Oh no, it says U.S. Air Force. Never mind. Huh. That's a little tiny plane. What's this one? And didn't we? I keep showing you this all over my area and your areas and wherever you live. This is happening everywhere. It's just they mark them unmarked. Here down there because it's all training or whatever they're doing. They left their labels on. Oh, this is creepy, man. What are you doing? Like this can't be training for the Russians or whatever. Like, what are you gonna circle over Moscow with a little buzz plane? What's this for? What are they doing? Search and rescue? Yeah, I doubt it. Not with a name like Fangs. You know what I mean? Yeah. You know, I'm sure it's nothing. And I'm hoping this is for overseas. You could hope, right? These people hoping for dumber shit. Oh my. This is creepy. or not. Look at all them fighter jets. I've never seen this. Like you'll see one going across the country when they're moving them around. Yeah. And they're jumping out of planes. Oh my. Yeah. Oh, here comes some of the helicopters. Good. Let's see what one of these are. MD 500. Yeah, a little baby one. Nothing to see. No, this looks just like any other spot I've been showing you all week. All the helicopters. Look, bing, 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 bing. Look at them. Yeah. I can't even get clicked on them. Hang on. Yeah, what are you doing down there? This looks like all the cities I keep showing you, and I see this little doohickey all the time. These Bell 407s is definitely dark arts. What are you looking for? And then the C650. Anytime you see these C's, it's always them too. Non-available. Yep. Does this look familiar at all, guys? What's this doohickey doing? Man, there's something going on. You ever have that gut feeling something's coming? Oh my. What's this? Ukrainian airline. What? Ukraine Air Alliance. Oh my. Ukraine military's here? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look at here, folks. Oh my. Hold on. Let me make this bigger. Ukraine Air Alliance. What the hell's this? Oh my. That's by where is he? It doesn't matter. It's in Texas. What the hell? What the hell's Ukraine Air? Huh? Ukraine Air Alliance? What the hell's this? Oh boy. Oh my. Ukraine Air Alliance. Hang on, let's take a look at this. This is why I like this split screen. Let me know if you guys like this. I'm just riffing here. I don't have anything topic to talk about. Ukraine. This is making a little more sense. Since I got video of all the troops still going into Russian troops going into Ukraine. When they said they were pulling out, they're not. That's how the news tells you one thing, but they're really doing another. Right? What is this? Ukraine Airlines. Now you're getting what this is what I do when the camera's off or whatever, the microphone at this point, but I'll have the camera back on. It's a cargo airline based in really. So what are they bringing cargo from? Our airline. Oh, hang on. The airline was established in. This sounds like dark art shit to me, because they have companies like this. Ukraine Air Alliance was formed in 1992. Yeah, good. Joint stock. I guarantee you this is dark art because it's flying in the area of all the frickin' fighter jets. Man, look at all these helicopters off of here too. What the hell are they doing? Republic Helicopters, another private company. Oh my. So I don't know what else to tell you. This is looking creepier by the minute. Or not. There's all your fighter jets. I'm just gonna scan the country real quick here. Just looking for shit that's out of place. They were doing a lot up in Maine area yesterday too, like in the mountains up there. Here's some fighter jets up here. I just saw one. Where'd it go? There's a fighter jet up here, right here. Where'd he go? There it is. That's that private one again. London. It came out of London. What? See, they're messing with the rate. They're messing with the tags. That's not out of London. They're saying this flew out of London. Oh, London's the airport. Okay. Huh. That ain't weird. An Aero Bujatsky or something. Really? Yeah. See, when you scan, you'll see this stuff lately is all over the place. Oh my. All right, I'll. I don't want to get you dizzy here scrolling through this map. I'll keep my eyes on these maps because something weird's going on here. See here? This is a way you could scan real quick when you start seeing lately all these helicopters on the ground. They're not supposed to be down there like this. Not that many. Man, is this weird? Those are all fighter jets down there. They're on top of each other, the Tex-Mex ones. I love your names, man. Nothing to see, folks. The greatest show on earth. What are they? What's their next play chapter here? Something weird. Up by Lubbock. Now, the other night, Saturday night, the video I did, when I first saw this is where they were focusing in the initial. All of this started around this town, Lubbock. So, whatever dark arts they're doing, it's coming out of here as of this mission or whatever. Texas Department of Public Safety. See this? They're doing a lot in Lubbock, whatever the hell Lubbock is. Yeah. Look how many helicopters. What are you doing? What are you doing in Lubbock, Texas? MD helicopter. We saw that name all over the country. MD helicopter. The MD 500. That's all they label it as. Right. 1991. They use a lot of these years on them too. Why are they doing that? I don't know. I'm just. Now I'm getting spurgy. All right. This is Wag Chicago. I'm up.